July is looking a little bit better. And, we joke around a lot. We need a nice weak tropical system out in the Gulf. That's exactly what we got. It is bringing us some isolated heavy downpours. As you can see from the satellite radar, it is relatively calm. And again, we're seeing a few thunderstorms out there. And for the most part, when you get under one of these, it lasts about 5-10 minutes, but it's heavy rain. And that's why the weather impact alert. And it's because mainly when you're out driving around, you're going to be dealing with some of this. So that's why we have the timing. There's your low, there's the circulation. You see a lot of the heavier rain is down to the south and away from us, and it's going to continue to move away from us. That's why your weather impact alert goes on for another couple of hours until 8 p.m., expecting things to wind down through the overnight. So until then, rain, storms, some isolated heavy downpours. So tropical depression number 2, it's still tropical depression, 35-mile-per-hour winds moving to the northwest at about 3 miles an hour. You can see where that convection is, and you can see how it looks like it's pushing off towards the southwest. That's because we have some northeast wind shear, and that is one of the main factors that is keeping this from strengthening. There's your individual forecast models. You can see how it kind of skates the coast of Louisiana, and that land interaction is going to keep it relatively weak. This is the official National Hurricane Center forecast, and you can see that it is expected to become a tropical storm throughout tomorrow, but not very strong. You see the strength of that, about 45. And again, that is due to the land interaction. Looks like it could pass just to the south of New Orleans and kind of hug the coast before moving its way into Texas. So again, it's going to be moving its way away from us. So for tonight, it remains a little breezy, warm, humid, and we'll see again, not a lot of activity. So most of the activity will be dying down through the overnight. Look at these winds, 15 to 25 miles an hour. Again, I just showed you as we started this 41-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Clearwater. So we could have some wind gusts a little higher. And then for tomorrow, we're going to keep that south flow about 15 to 25. You'll be about 91 degrees. You'll see a little bit more sun, a little bit less coverage for rain, and the better chance is going to be through the morning hours along the coast. And again, that's going to be for that morning commute if you're driving to the Bay or into Pinellas. So you can see there's the flow for tomorrow. Still breezy. The Bay is rough. Seas are going to be 5 to 7, occasionally 9 feet. That small craft advisory continuing again from today all the way through tomorrow evening. So here's your futurecast. And again, as we go throughout your evening, expecting another band to move its way on, and then that'll die down. Here's 8 p.m. This is where the weather impact alert ends. And you can see through the overnight, not a lot. We'll see a few showers moving in for the morning, but your Tuesday is going to be a little bit drier than what we've seen for the past couple days. Still the potential for some isolated downpours, but again, it's the rainy season. Nothing out of the ordinary for us. And then Wednesday, again, looks a little bit drier. Probably one of the drier days we'll get is Wednesday, with maybe a stray shower or two popping up. That's going to be about it. Rainfall forecast shows not a lot inland. So again, this is going to be mainly along the coast west of 75. You'll see anywhere from a half an inch to maybe up to about an inch of rain. But again, that's going to be in some of those isolated areas. 7-day forecast shows, again, morning showers there for your Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with the mostly dry conditions. Look at the heat coming back. 93, 94, 100 to about 105 for the heat index. We'll continue that for the weekend. A nice looking weekend, a few afternoon, evening showers and storms possible, and then those rain chances go up a little bit more to start next week.